And I say the same thing every single time. Baby, you my everything. You all I ever wanted. We could do it real big. Bigger than you ever done it. Hit me up on everything.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome back to another vlog. So y'all, earlier I started the vlog off by taking you guys with me to Bath and Body Works. So I did do a little bit of shopping in there this morning. I want to go to one more location, y'all, but I'm trying to be good because since my last video, y'all, I've literally placed 2 more orders. One order I just placed today, and then I placed another order earlier this week, and I said I was gonna be good, but I'm being bad. So y'all, let me just show y'all what I got real quick. So basically, I did order some things that came in the mail. I ended up coming back home to go back to Bath and Body Works to do a return on some of the items, and also I went to price match. So basically, today their wallflowers rang up $1.87. I believe the sale ends on the 16th. Today is the 8th, I think. So they still have a few more days. So if I don't go back into the second store I want to go into today, it may be tomorrow or something like that. I don't know, girl. So yeah, basically they price match all the wallflowers I bought for $2.50, all the wallflowers I bought for $3.50. All the wallflowers that I bought pretty much during this 14-15 day span since after Christmas, basically. So let me show you guys what I got. So in my online order, I picked up Canyon. So I actually picked up, babe, 2 of these. This scent is okay. It's not my most favorite. I don't think babe has ever tried this one before. I know he tried teak wood. So basically I've ordered 2 of them, girl. And I don't think he tried this one before, but I took one back because I didn't know how he was gonna feel about it, and he's not here to actually smell it right now, so I was like, let me just get one, okay? Because I also ordered him 2 New Orleans, but once that package get here, I'll show y'all that. So what else did I have in this order? And then I ordered 2 of these. I ordered the whole Magnolia Charm set. So I got the body cream, the Fine Fragrance Mist, and I also got the shower gel. But that scent, I sprayed it on me earlier when I got it, and it smells good. It's good. It's okay. I just feel like I don't want to be a hoarder. So I'm like, you know what, sis? It was $4.95, so it really wasn't on that good of a sale. So I just took the whole collection back pretty much. And what else was there? Oh, I had a few wallflowers. So I did pay $2.50 or maybe $3.50 for these wallflowers, but I did do the price exchange. So basically these were $1.87. So I got 2 Beautiful Day in my online order, and then I also got 2 of the Laundry Day. which is, where's laundry day, girl? Which is right here. So I got 2 of these laundry day. So all of these were $1.87 for the 10th time. So I try to be not redundant, y'all. I know, like, on my channel, oh my gosh, like when I go back and edit my videos, you guys, whether it's a beauty content video or a vlog, I say so damn much. Like, it's ridiculous. I be like and it's not intentionally, it's just, I guess that's just a word for me to help me think until I figure out what I'm trying to say. Maybe I should just shut up until I figure out what I'm trying to say. Whatever, I don't know. But anyways, so yeah, I did pick up Waikiki Coconut Beach. I wonder how that smells, because I'm not a super huge fan of coconut. It depends on the coconut. It just depends on if it's done right. So I picked up this miniature fairy tale travel size body gel, and this was $1.80, I think, $1.62. Where's my receipt, girl, so I can tell you how much it was? Kason, why are you so loud? So I can't find my receipt, but I'm sure it was something like that. $1.60, $1.80, something like that. So I picked this one up, and then I also got 2 of the black cherry merlots. So I'm just gonna throw that in my merlot in my little collection. And then I picked up snowflakes and cashmere. This smells so good, you guys. Like, it smells so high end. It smells expensive. It smells like it's going to pair well with YSL Libre. Like, it just gives me like super, like, expensive, silky, sexy kind of vibes. But very light, very light. Girl, I should have got 2 of these. Like, I literally may be going back, or I may go to the other store in just a few minutes, y'all, because I can't control myself. So yeah, I got the body cream, and then I also got the shower gel. And I placed my order because none of the stores near me had the actual spray to go with this. So I did go ahead and place my order. So my spray will be here next week, and I can't wait, girl, because oh my gosh, like, this smells so freaking good. Like, I literally need to go buy another one of these, because this smells like this could just be paired with, girl, pretty much anything. Like, it smells so good, like anything. So I did pick up Hope. I actually wanted the whole little collection that goes with this one, but they only had the shower gel at my store. So if I can find like the spray and the lotion that goes with this, then I'll get it, because it does smell really, really good. But if not, we ain't gonna worry about it. And then lastly, I just picked up Kason a candle because he wanted something. I thought this color was super cute, and I randomly found this candle on the table. It's winter, and this one was like $3.62. It's just a single wick, and it smells really good. It's sweet, but it also has like a it's strong. So I think I'm gonna go put this in his room and let it burn, girl, because I gotta watch him though. Gotta keep my eyes on Kason, y'all, because y'all know how he do. But anyways, let me go put all of this stuff up, girl. And I'm gonna talk to y'all in a minute, because I just had some Zaxby's and I low-key want a nap. Okay? Fat girl problems. Fat girl problems. Do you hear me?
In the
song, alright. And I know just what you want. Oh, what it costs, just put it in the song.
And when we're making love, your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those thighs. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it.
Time just to get back before that I had days full of you before it winds down into the memories. It's all just memories now.
Don't you love when I come around?